Okay viewers, अब मैं इसके I'm still thinking to put the whole thing in one side or still like go with I don't know like 8 or 8 on both sides. So we will see. तो I just like मैंने जैसे अंदर पहले ये सब डाला as you can see like then I did this, then I did this, then I did this. This is all your imagination. आप लोग किस तरह बनाना चाहते हैं. Different kind of beads like whatever you like और जिस तरह आपको लग रहा है कि it will look more beautiful. So you just have to just beat the wire. I'm trying to place like every 4 beads one kind of shinier ring or bead, whatever it's called, like this kind of thing. देखा? So this is 4 here. Now I will try to do the same on this side. Okay viewers, like I just try to did a knot here but forgot to turn on my camera. So इसके अंदर से मैंने ये wire निकाली, this wire, and then I took 2 like the jump rings, small size. I have no idea why I did 2 because the necklace is heavy and it's big enough. So I just wanted to make sure that my ends like they're heavy enough to hold this. उसके बाद I have like made like around 3 or 4 knots here, tight knots, and then इसके अंदर से वापस I took the wire from here and then on like took the wire out of few beads and then make couple of knots in between like this maybe. So later when I'll finish the necklace I will like put just say 1 or 2 drops of glue on the knots, so and then let it dry. So once it is done I will cut this later, not now, once the whole necklace is done. So now I will try to do this side and try to make the video if I can. Okay, I'm trying to take a bigger jump rope or jump ring and then just like slide this in between, and this is my collapse, the end collapse. I'm trying to put the this so it looks a little bit more fancier. Hold this and this and then just like हम इसको बंद कर देंगे. Simple. I hope it's coming in the video. So I did this. I overlapped it a bit, so more protection. Okay, viewers, I have this on the other side. I could not find the same thing. So I'm not going to just sit around here and like wait ke दूसरा कब आएगा. I will try to finish this one. I guess मैंने use कर ली हैं क्योंकि मैं काफ़ी चीज़ें बनाती रहती हूँ. So okay, अब सिर्फ आपको दिखाने के लिए क्योंकि I guess I missed the पहला वाला. तो चलें जी हम Okay, viewers, I don't know. I was thinking to put the this wire इसमें. I have no idea. I'm not sure कि कहीं इसमें से निकल ना आए. Maybe I have to put a glue later on. Even though I have made so many necklaces, लेकिन I don't know why I'm so like इसमें मुझे प्रॉब्लम हो रही है कि कहीं ये गिर ना जाए या कुछ ना हो जाए. तो let's see क्या होता है. Okay viewers, I'm just trying to make some loops like जैसे knots होते हैं. I don't know अगर ये work करेगा. I did the same thing on this side, but I have no idea why I'm so concerned on this side. So maybe मुझे glue करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि I'm worried for this. ये जो इसकी ओपनिंग है कि इसके अंदर से मेरा वायर निकल ना आए. और बेसिकली यही तरीका होता है, लाइक दे नॉट इट एंड देन जस्ट ग्लू इट. ओके, इसको मैं आई एम गोइंग टू लाइक आप जस्ट इसको होल्ड करो यहाँ से. ओके, टेक योर क्लैप्स एंड जिस तरह के भी आपने लगाना है. You can do the lobster claps, you can do these fancy claps, like the ends जो जिससे हम necklace वगैरह tie करते हैं. ये आप लोगों के total अपना option है. Okay viewers, it's done. So I just dropped some glue जहाँ जहाँ मेरे knots थे, knots जहाँ जहाँ मैंने tie किए थे, तो उधर मैंने glue डाली है और इसको अब dry होने देंगे. And then inshallah I will show you the necklace.